हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हो आप? वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल मैथ्स पीरियड। आई एम किरण मैम। नाउ वी विल लर्न सम applications of formula of compound interest. The same formula is also used in case of number 1, increase or decrease in population, number 2, growth of bacteria, number 3, the value of article if its price increases or decreases in the intermediate years. In case of appreciation, that is increase, the appreciated value is given by the formula P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to power time. And in case of depreciation, that is decrease, the depreciated value is given by the formula P into 1 minus R upon 100 raised to power time. Next, question number 10 of exercise 8.3, chapter number 8, comparing quantities, NCERT, standard 8. The question is, the population of a place increased to 54,000 in 2003 at the rate 5% per annum. Number 1, find the population in 2001. Number 2, what would be its population in 2005? So let us start. Population in 2003 is 54,000. This is the increased population. Rate 5% per annum. Time 2 years. 2003 minus 2001. Therefore, this population in 2003, this is the increased population, so this will act as amount. So the formula will become population in 2003 is equal to population in 2001 into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to power n. Therefore, 54,000 is equal to population in 2001 into 1 plus 5 upon 100 raised to power 2. 1 plus 5 upon 100 after cancellation will become 21 upon 20. Therefore, 54,000 is equal to population in 2001 into 21 upon 20 into 21 upon 20, which implies population in 2001 is equal to 54,000 into 20 upon 21 into 20 upon 21. After simplification, we get population in 2001 is equal to 48979.59. We know that population can never be in decimal or fraction, so it is 48,980. So the answer is population in 2001 was 48,980. Now the second part of question number 10. Population in 2003 is given 54,000. Rate is given 5% per annum. Time 2 years. From 2005 to 2003 it is 2 years. Therefore, population in 2005 is given by population in 2003 into 1 plus r upon 100 raised to power n. Therefore, population in 2005 is equal to 54,000 into 1 plus 5 upon 100 raised to power 2. That is 54,000 into 21 upon 20 into 21 upon 20. After simplification, 1 plus 5 upon 100 will become 21 upon 20. So, after cancellation, we get 135 into 21 into 21, which is equal to 59,535. Therefore, the answer is the population in 2005 would be 59,535. Next, question number 11 of exercise 8.3. The question is, in a laboratory, the count of bacteria in a certain experiment was increasing at the rate of 2.5% per hour. Find the bacteria at the end of 2 hours if the count was initially 5,06,000. So let us start. Initial count 5,06,000. Rate 2.5% per hour. That is 25 upon 10% per hour. Time 2 hours. Therefore, count after 2 hours is equal to initial count into 1 plus r upon 100 raised to power time. So it is given by 5,06,000 into 1 plus 2.5 means 25 upon 10 upon 100 raised to power 2. So 1 plus 25 upon 10 upon 100 after simplification will become 41 upon 40. So we will get 5,06,000 into 41 upon 40 into 41 upon 40. So after cancellation we get 21,26,465 upon 4. So after dividing we get 5,31,616.25. So it is 5,31,616 approximately. Next, the last question of exercise and the last question of the chapter, that is question number 12 of exercise 8.3. The question is, a scooter was bought for rupees 42,000. Its value depreciated at the rate of 8% per annum. Find its value after 1 year. So let us start. Initial value is rupees 42,000. thousand. Rate of depreciation is 8% per annum. Time 1 year. Since the price is depreciating, so the price after 1 year is given by initial price into 1 minus r upon 100 raised to power n. So it is given by 42,000 into 1 minus 8 upon 100 raised to power 1. So 1 minus 8 upon 100 after simplification will become 23 upon 25. That is 42,000 into 23 upon 25. So after simplification we'll get 1680 multiplied by 23. So we will get 38,640 rupees. So the answer is its price after 1 year will be rupees 38,640.